Every day on the cruise you'll visit a new island or a new destination, which could also be on the mainland. I'll give you some examples of them. Of course, everyone's usually heard of Split before they come on the cruise. Split is one of the biggest cities on the coast of Croatia, and as such has a nice variety of things to see and do there, but also an incredible palace which is called Diocletian's Palace. It was built by the Romans and is unlike anything else on the coast.
So we're currently in Split. It's the biggest town that you go to on the trip. Beautiful town, the water's turquoise, best restaurants.
Split's a great starting point. We rented a small apartment, was I think around 60 odd euro for the night. The lady sorted us out, pointed us in the right direction, so it was easy enough to walk up the top. Great view down on Split. All the bars or restaurants are right on the waterfront. Fantastic. And the people around here, they're all friendly, kind, so it's been great.